Welcome back to Zenith Lifestyle. Today we're going to have a quick look at igf1, insulin-like growth factor 1. And we're also going to have a look at protein, in particular animal protein, and we're also going to look at milk, because this is a great place to get both of those combined in one hit. So igf1 is similar to insulin and is involved in mediating growth and development, so whether that's growing as a little child or growing tumours. What is protein? Well, basically it's a linked series of carbon, nitrogen and oxygen atoms. A Western lifestyle characterised by low physical activity, high dietary intake, animal protein, saturated fats, rapidly digestible carbohydrates is associated with increased risks of many cancers. So just looking at some studies, it has been reported that igf1 stimulates breast cancer cell proliferation and is upregulated in tumours. It is involved in regulation of both physical and pathological growth processes in prostate cancer, or in the prostate, igf1 also has powerful anti-atopic effects, which means it can promote the cancer growth. Routine milk consumption is an evolutionary novel dietary behaviour which may have adverse long-term biological effects. So looking at the conclusion of this study, igf1 is a potential mechanism underlying the observed association between milk intake and prostate cancer risk. And here's a study looking at milk signalling and the promotion of diseases in civilization, particularly in the mTOR signalling effects. We're accumulating evidence that milk consumption in children, adolescents and adults increases BMI. Whey protein in milk, particularly high in branched chain amino acids, and that is increased risk of elevated BMI, insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Plant proteins inhibit tumour growth independently of protein content, so a 20% plant protein diet dropped tumour weights by 37% as compared to an animal protein diet. Role of diet in prostate cancer development progression. It's prudent to emphasise a diet consisting of a wide variety of plant-based foods and fish is similar to what's recommended and well established for the prevention of heart disease. And to finish off, a quick look at this study here, calorie restriction and the traditional Okinawan diet. And we know from studies that they have one of the longest living populations, reaching centenarians, and they had a calorie restricted diet and also a very whole food based diet, very minimal animal protein. And remember, if you don't look after your health now, it won't look after you later. See you in the next video.